Hey folks, Brad here again. Round two in my rim saga on my 2018 Honda Clarity. Yeah, winter sucks, and I can't put it off any longer. So I've looked around on Kijiji and Craigslist and all that to find rims that would fit. I borrowed a set of TSX rims. If you were watching my previous video, I couldn't get them to fit, and it was the hub on that, the hub bore rather, which was the problem. So, new solution, I hope. Stay with me here and we'll find out together. But I went to my local shop, speed shop, tire shop, whatever you want to call them, and I bought one rim, one steel 18-inch rim, 5x1 14.3, the 67 millimeter bore size, and that could be the trick. The TSX rim I had before, I thought was like a 70, but it was too small, so clearly I made a mistake there. So let's see if this one fits. Just so we know what we're looking at. There it is in all its boring ass steel black glory. So, car's jacked up. I'm about to yank the rim off, and I will let you folks know if it works. Fingers crossed. All right, moment of truth. Rim in my hand. Wheel off. Let's see if this thing fits over the hub. Come on, I need it. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Here, let's put you down somewhere that we can see this. Cameraman, I think I'm not really much of one, sorry. Let's see. All right. These are amazingly light without tires. Oh, look at that. Fits. That fits. Now this is going to have to be lug-centric, not hub-centric, because this hub bore is actually too big. So, well, too big to fit perfectly squarely, but that's all right. These things, you know, with the mushroom lug nuts, right? They'll center in there, so these will become lug-centric, not hub-centric rims. But holy crap, that makes me happy. That's a victory. I don't know what I would have done if I couldn't find that thing to fit, because I really hate to switch tires on two sets of tires on one set of rims. That's just kind of bogus, especially because where I live, as you can tell by the snow on the ground, this is a regular occurrence. So hey, that's awesome. That makes me happy. So I gotta go buy 3 more of these things and then go get my snow tires that I actually happen to already have mounted on these darn things. It's a long story how I have that, but being a car guy, back to my S2000, more rims, you kind of end up with some crap around your garage, and I actually have a set of 18-inch summers or winters which I'll put on. So anyway, oh, there we go, back to me. Thanks for your thanks for your viewership, folks. Thanks for your attention. This car is a bit of a learning experience here and there. If you caught my oil change video, you'll see that was pretty straightforward. The rim thing was a bit unique. Again, if you caught my previous video on the rims, the really whack rear suspension on this thing, which is totally cool because it has to be for all the batteries and all that crap, but yeah, I wasn't even going to bother trying 17s to see if they fit because of all that crazy crap in there. So anyway, once again, it's Brad here. Thank you for your attention, like I say. And hey, if you kind of like this video, even if you liked it a little bit, I'd really appreciate a like. Hey, throw me a subscribe too. As I always say, it encourages me to do this a lot more. Anyway, thanks folks. I really hope you guys have a great day. Take care now.